Eating some spaghetti. Spaghetti is the best. That good? Oh, there it goes. That spaghetti get away from you. Yes. That is the best. That is the best. Spaghetti, spaghetti. I doubt you're finished. I doubt it. Oh, that's yum. Yeah, you need to eat that spaghetti meat, please. You need to eat that meat, please. That's all you have on your plate. Yeah, well, sauce, the meat sauce. You tearing it up, Munchkin. That's good stuff. Oh, I didn't even think to put a bib on you. That's a brand new onesie. Well, that's okay. I got some stain removers. Can I see? You can see later. Oh, he's mad. He can't get it. Okay, not in your eye. There you go. There you go. Now you go. That's so good. Shh, boys. Boys. Can Mommy help you? There you go. There you go. Yes. That's the best. That's the best spaghetti ever. Yeah, he's good at eating, huh? I can see.
I see her. I see.
You get your whole hand in there, huh?
He only has 1, 2, 3,
No, he eats better than you do.
Better than me?
Yeah, you don't complain about eating the meat sauce.
7, 9, 10.
Christian, you're not finishing that meat sauce, and I really want you to finish it, okay? Nope, eat everything that's on your plate. It'll help you grow strong and healthy.
How about Quincy eat this?
No, how about you eat this? Not Quincy's food. Quincy's eating his food. Can Mama help you?
He said, no.
Oh, I forgot your little... Am I going to have to get you some more Munchkin? Oh, goodness. Okay. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Okay. See you later. Good Lord, boy.
They come in armor.
I love you.